What's up, guys? We're back with another video. Today we're going to be talking about some regulation changes in the automotive market with this Trump administration, what that could mean with us Toyota guys seeing some of these new K trucks coming into the States, possibly seeing the Hilux. We don't know. We're going to get into it, talk about what this means for us, what this means for the car industry as a whole, and get to the bottom of if we are going to be seeing these trucks in the U.S. All right, so we've seen a lot of speculation out there regarding if the Toyota Hilux is going to be coming to the United States because of some regulation changes from Donald Trump and the Trump administration. So we've seen a lot of stuff on the internet. We wanted to sit down and talk about it with you guys because this could be big for a lot of us Toyota nerds who love the Hilux overseas. We've been wanting to see it here for a while, and if these emissions regulations and safety standards do change, if it is a realistic possibility that Toyota will bring this truck here. So we got some notes. We're going to go over everything that we've heard from Donald Trump. We're going to go over anything Toyota has said, and we're going to see if this is a real possibility. So recently, everybody's been talking about these K cars. Now, what defines a K car in the first place? Now, a K car is a special class of vehicle designated by the Japanese government designed to be affordable and ultra compact. Now, even though K cars are part of the story, there is a slightly bigger class of vehicle that includes vehicles like the Toyota Hilux Champ, which is the one that everyone is hoping will be coming to the United States with some of these changes that the Trump administration is proposing. Now, both of these classes of cars currently don't meet emissions regulations or safety standards as set by the United States. But these could be changing if the Trump administration gets their way and open a way for Toyota to start importing these vehicles to the United States. Now, how did we get to this point? President Trump is wanting to make cars more affordable in the United States, and one of the ways he is proposing to do that is rolling back some of these emission standards and safety standards. This is going to provide a way for manufacturers to hopefully import cheaper vehicles for the people here to buy, including the Toyota Hilux Champ and other classes of truck. Now, an important part of this is he did not specifically say that Toyota was going to start importing this vehicle. That is completely up for Toyota to decide, and there's a couple of reasons Toyota might not want to import the Toyota Hilux or the Hilux Champ into the United States. Now, even if the Trump administration does roll back emission standards, Toyota still currently sells a pickup truck in the mid-size market here in the United States, and that is the Tacoma. The Tacoma was created due to something called the Chicken Tax, which put a 25% tariff on some of these Japanese and other European trucks coming into the US market. So Toyota decided not to sell the Hilux here. Instead, they made a new model called the Tacoma that they could sell here and avoid the chicken tax, which is why we don't get the Hilux in the first place. Now, the reason that this is important is why would Toyota want to go cannibalize the sales of the Tacoma, which is already the top mid-size truck in the segment, with another mid-size truck from their own company. Now, even if the Hilux doesn't come to the United States, the hype around this subject does show that people are wanting a more affordable, more compact, rugged truck, that something like the Hilux Champ here in the United States. Could this mean that we see the Tacoma platform get another entry-level truck to it? Maybe, but I know that it would be really cool to see one of these Hiluxes here in the US. Hopefully Toyota will give us something like the Hilux Champ, maybe under the Tacoma platform, but who knows. What do you guys think in the comments? Do you think that we'll be seeing the Hilux here in the near future? Or do you think we're just gonna have the Tacoma and the best bet is gonna be waiting 25 years to get your own Hilux here in the United States? Let us know what you think. Comment down below and give us a follow. Thanks again for watching.